So I'm for the first time on the just two stations. I'm using the fast train, and it's really fast with this. Wow. Welcome to the new world. I'm a little bit claustrophobic. See, it has an Arabic. So see, it has Arabic, English, and Hebrew. Train destination Petach Tikva. It's so weird for me, you know, that Israel has this train system. Final destination Petach Tikva. Does that sound right to you? I don't know. But it's safer anyway, because if you have a rocket attack, you're safe. It's such small distances, by the way. So here I am. Where am I? Doesn't matter. It's better not to see me too much. This is like so weird for me, you know? I feel like I'm Arlosorov. They don't have Mind the Gap or like the French one, the loud noise. It's really clean, I have to say. It's new. And you have 3 languages that are not often together, Hebrew and Arabic. Only in this. Arabic. See, we're very coexistence. Wow, I'm just very impressed. Very impressed. Wow, I just want to walk in the fresh air though. Wow. So here we go. So very fast. I'm really scared of the car. That's it. I made it. I'm not using this. I just want to show you. I am so scared of heights. This is really not for me. So what you do is you go to the elevator, because I'm disabled. No, it's not a joke. This is -2. Then you go in there. I'm always afraid of modern things. You press -1. See, I have my card and I'm always afraid to lose it. Wow. This is so weird for me. I am just like completely... See, there's my reflection. Yetzi'ah in 3 languages. Exit. That's it. Hello. Oh my God! I feel like I've been in like a time travel, or those machines that scan your body. So here you have to do this. Oops! Oopsie doopsie. Quick! Wow! I feel like a little like the animals that live under the ground. Sorry, I'm not a modern person. Exit in 3 languages. See how accommodating we are? And here I am. Wait, how do I take a picture of me? Oh, just like that. Wait, just a second. I'll take a picture of me. Hello. So, I get this very claustrophobic. Like, I did not realize I have claustrophobia till now, but I do. Now we're going out. We're going. Zole lemala? Okay, we're going up. Look how. I don't know why I have claustrophobia. I'm just used to being in the fresh air. There we go. unmanned. There's like nobody around, but you can ask your fellow people because we are in Israel. So, woo, sunshine again. Back to the world. Oh wow, modern life. Wow, this was like a trip in the future. I really had a great time. Wow, wow, wow. I'm just like, because I've only done it like once before and it was like different routes. And I'm like, I'm home soon. Anyway, so, wow. Anyway, I'm not getting a falafel, even though the falafel is close by. This is really cool. See all the buildings? Thank you for joining me on Israel, you see? They crossing the red lights. This is how you know it's Israel. There's the train station. Central Slavidor. The mall. This is our station. And I really want to walk. I don't want to get on anything. I just want to walk. Because I feel like, I'm just like... So, this is our winter. Ha ha ha. This is our winter. I'm just flabbergasted. It's a nice day. Blue sky. And I'm crossing in green. Oh, I'm dizzy. Shouldn't have done that. I'm really hungry. We do have fantastic sandwiches at the train station now. I'm really hungry, but I'm not getting a falafel. Because last time I got a falafel, the next day I was really sick. But I'm just going to get some groceries and do my own thing at home. That's what I think I'm going to do. Yep. Wow, I can't believe my work day is over. It was fun taking kids to learn to identify birds. That was fun. It was really fun because I wasn't alone. Thursday I'm alone, doing it all by myself. It was fun. It was great. I enjoyed it. I just need another job in order to support this fun job. But that's okay. So I'm just going to walk a bit. Look, I have my plastic shoes, which aren't really great for the warm weather, but I didn't realize it was going to stop raining so soon. But that's Israeli weather, Israeli winter. Sun is out. It's 14 degrees. Israel tenatzeach. Israel will win for sure. We are winning. And then we have Mashiach Achshav. So much fun to have a Star of David graffiti, huh? Anyway, see you later, alligator.